Hi everyone, welcome back to Dynamic Sport Adventures Wilderness Survival Series. We're going to try to show you a little friction fire with bamboo. I take about a 3-foot piece of bamboo, and I like to use the piece of whole bamboo. In other words, some people split them down the middle and just use the two edges. I like to have a little bit more support. I take a 45-degree angle, cut it with a saw in on each edge, and then I put a knife in there and I pop it out. I take a knife and I make sure that that edge is a nice sharp blade or knife edge on that side. The fireboard I take across the notch, across the grain. I make a football piece of wedge into the friction board. I also try to cut out a little bit on the inside to give my space a bit of air to be able to get in there once we place our tinder in there. To get our tinder, we can just take our knife, and you can see the shavings coming off of that. We shave that down until we get a little bit of bundle of tinder off the bamboo, like so. We take the bamboo, we try rolling into a little ball. And we're going to place that on either side of that hole where our friction board is. To hold that in place there, we take a splinter piece of bamboo that we shaved off, and I like breaking it a little bit, not all the way through, but it's just so there's not too much tension on it. And I place that over top of my tinder bundles inside the fireboard. And then what we do is we're going to use the blade edge of that bamboo right there against that cutout piece we have right there for our fireboard, and friction back and forth. The back and forth motion is going to create the heat and generate the heat, eventually burn a hole through there, and hopefully start our tinder in there with a little ember. Let's see if we can get a little bit of smoke going. You can see the smoke starting to come off our tinder right there a little bit. I'm going to try to keep gently blowing on and not mess with it. Again, ember care is important when any friction fire. I have a tinder nest ready. And there we have a fire with friction with bamboo. Thanks for watching Wilderness Survival Series from Dynamic Sport Adventures. Get outdoors, happy hiking. Thanks for watching.